Okay, so I'm doing the problem where you have to find the values of a and b so that f of x is continuous. So the first step is to find the left-hand limit at x equals 1. So we'll write that out over here. The limit as x approaches 1 from the left, f of x equals limit as x approaches 1 from the left, and then we're going to use this because the left is when x is less than 1, so that means we're going to use this for f of x. So we'll just write it out here. And then from there, we're able to plug it in. Oh no, we're not able to plug it in because a equals 0. So once we plug it in, we find that 1 minus 1 is 0, and 0 can't be on the bottom. So what we can do is factor it out. So that gives us x minus 1 and x plus 1 on the top, and then x minus 1 on the bottom. So then we're able to cancel this out, and then we're just left with x plus 1, which here we are able to apply the limit. So that just gives 1 plus 1 equals 2. So now we need to find the limit on the right-hand side, because if they're not the same, then we have to figure that out. So we go here, and now because it's the right-hand side, we're going to use this formula, ax squared minus bx plus 3 minus bx plus 3, and now we're able to just plug it in. So that equals a minus b plus 3. So we have to set these equal to each other. So we kind of just rewrite it right here, the equals 2, and that can simplify to a minus b equals -1. So that's our first equation over here. So now we need to find at x equals 2 the left and right hand limits. So for the left limit of f of x, as x approaches 2 from the left, equals the limit as x approaches 2 from the left. We're using this same formula because of this inequality here. So we have ax squared minus bx plus 3, which just equals 4a minus 2b plus 3. And then we do it from the right-hand side, and we use, for the right-hand side, we have to find the formula where it's greater than 2, which would be this one. So we plug that in here. So that gives 4 minus a plus b if we're plugging it into this equation. And this is the answer. And now we have to set these equal to each other because we have to have the left and right hand be equal to each other. So we rewrite that as 4a minus 2b plus 3 equals 4 minus a plus b, or if you simplify it, becomes 5a minus 3b equals 1. And then we need to find something to multiply to the first equation that will get one of the variables able to cancel out. So I'm going to use -3. So if you apply that to the first equation, you get -3a plus 3b equals 3. And then you add the second equation, which is 5a minus 3b equals 1. And that gives us 2a equals 4. So when you simplify, a equals 2. And then we plug a back into equation 1. So that's 2 minus b equals -1. So b equals 3. Boom.